How to download and install Waze on Android. First, unlock your phone and tap the Google Play Store icon. Easy, right? Next, tap the search bar at the bottom right corner and type Waze. Don't worry about spelling it perfectly. Autocorrect has your back. Hit search icon. Now look for the Waze app. It has a cute little blue car icon with a smiley face. That's the one. Tap on it to open. Now tap the install button. Your phone will start downloading and installing Waze automatically. Once installed, you will see open button. Waze is ready to navigate. You can also find it on your home screen or app drawer anytime. The first time you open Waze, it will ask for location access. Tap Allow so Waze can guide you through traffic like a pro. You might also see a few other permission requests. Just accept the one you are comfortable with. You can create account, or if you have account already, just log in. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.